Business analytics refers to the skills, technologies, and practices for continuous iterative exploration and investigation of past business performance to gain insight and derive business decision making. In this fast-growing technology environment, analytics-based decision making is imperative for organization to lead the business.
Analytics is used in every domain of business to make well-informed decisions based on supportive data. In marketing domain, analytics is used to determine consumer behavior, analyze prospective segments, and understand customer requirements while developing and testing a product or service. In human resource, analytics is extensively used to track and measure the various parameters of employee performance.
At Lloyd, a 2-year full-fledged course is conducted with IBM, a pioneer in analytics. Students are trained by industrialists, professionals, opportunities are given on live data, and continuous engagements are executed to give industry exposure to students.
Lloyd in the business analytics arena organizes Technovate, an international analytics conference with panelists from across India and world which celebrate business analytics, artificial intelligence and other latest topics. Appreciating the role of analytics in across all domains of management education, Lloyd has started education of business analytics program in every specialization.